From factories in Asia to stores in Europe, efficient global trade depends on smart logistics coordination.
Without it, companies face delays, rising costs, and frustrated customers when shipments get stuck along the way.
But with well-coordinated international logistics, businesses cut costs, speed up delivery, and keep supply chains flowing smoothly.
Coordination means aligning transport modes like sea, air, and land, managing customs clearance, and tracking goods in real time. For example, a company may ship bulk goods by sea, then switch to air freight for urgent orders, balancing cost with speed. Centralized systems and logistics partners make this integration seamless.
International logistics isn't just about moving goods. It's about orchestrating transport and distribution for maximum efficiency.